want to make a declaration this morning. If you, for whatever reason, believe that there's no more signs and wonders, there's something that's not happening anymore, I want to ask you to reconsider by doing some research about God moving in our world today, about miracles and signs, supernatural things. Just because we don't see it doesn't mean it doesn't happen. I think sometimes we're not praying for it to happen. I think sometimes we've become blinded and sort of almost said, this is how life is going to be. I'm going to suffer. At least I'm going to heaven. But God has promised us life and life in abundance. When we start to pray, say, God, and this is what John did. We ask of you the nations, and we come and we're waiting for you to give us the nations with expectation that you would do it. I can almost guarantee you that something's going to happen within you, where the Holy Spirit would fill you with boldness and courage that you cannot explain.